So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito pag-uusapan po natin ang sandamakmak po kabola ng mga pangyayari around the league at isa pong trade rumor kabola na nilalabas naman po ng King of PBA Rumors. Wala na pong iba kundi si Snow Badwa kabola. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Una sa lahat, let us discuss yung statement po ni Brownlee patungkol po dito kay Tony Bishop kabola na nabigyan po ng pagkakataon kabola to represent Ginebra in the 2024 Commissioner's Cup. Unfortunately, hanggang semis lang po yung nakayanan niya. Sabi po nitong si Brownlee, I give a light credit to Tony Bishop. He came in and played his hardest and tried his best for the team, kabola. Now, that doesn't mean, kabola, though, that Tony Bishop is successful, di ba? So, at the end of the day, semis lang po yung kinayanan niya, kabola, na tulungan ng Ginebra. And we all know naman na sa level po ng Ginebra, minimum yan dapat finals, knowing the strength of their lineup kabola. So I think at this point we know naman na that could be the final time na i-represent po ni Bishop ang Ginebra, pero we also understand kung saan po nagagaling ito si Justin Brownlee. Now, meron naman po tayong ligang labas issue. Chris Lalata kabola, 50,000 ang kanya pong binayaran because of his violation kabola dito nga po sa ligang labas na naman po na ito. So, ito naman, we understood again po kung anong posisyon dito ng PBA. It's the right to defend po kabola. So, of course, hindi po pwedeng magaan sila kabola pagdating sa mga ganung issue kasi yung mismong nilalabag kasi talaga ng mga players dito is yung produkto kumbaga na inaalay po nila sa PBA o binabayaran po sa kanila ng PBA at ang mga PBA teams kabola. So, hindi pwedeng basta-basta rin po kabola yung kanila pong magiging fine. So, 50,000, 100,000 po kabola dun kay Talio. I think those are well understood. Now, we also need to talk about this. No? Si Fajardo po kabola, pinilit maglaro ng Game 5. Unfortunately, they won, di ba? Pero is it worth the risk? Pero first pala, no? May mga fans kasi na bumaba niya ito nagsasabi na palabas lang yun, no? Kabola. Na ginagawa lang yan to script it, kabola. Kaya hindi naglaro masyado si Fajardo. Kaya limited siya ng Game 4 kasi they are trying to script it. Come on guys, it's Fajardo kabola. Easily the most humble, easily the most righteous kabola na players out there, diba? Siya talaga yung pag-inalaan nyo na magiging parte ng mga ganyang kabulastugan, diba? Come on, diba? Kabola, again, galing na mismo sa SMC. Kung SMC ang labanan po,
what's wrong with you, bro? What the hell?
There's a reason why yung last two po na series between San Miguel and Ginebra, both ended po with a sweep, kabola. This is not about getting the most money out there, kabola, diba? They still, at the very least, kapag sila po naglaban, respect it as a match kabola without wala pong pinapanigan yung management. So can you stop with this kalokohan kabola na pinipilit nyo na they're trying to script it. Now going back to Fajardo, I think this is bad. I'm not really sure it's worth the risk kabola, knowing nga po yung value niya and knowing na sobrang strong naman po ng lineup ng San Miguel Beermen. Buti sana kung Game 6 or Game 7 na, pero Game 5 pa naman kabola. I think dapat nagiging maalalay pa rin po si Fajardo, especially sa katawan niya at may katandaan na po siya kabola. At the end of the day, siya pa rin naman po nag-carry ng team na to. So dapat yung management din is maging protective dito po kay Fajardo. Now, of course, the interesting po kabola na pag-uusapan natin na trade rumors, no other than Daricio Rivero kabola. Interesado daw po na makuha ng MVP group. So, if you MVP group, that's TNT, that's Meralco, that's NLEX kabola. Is this understandable? Of course, this is understandable kabola. Rivero is not only a very good young stud, kabola, but he is popular, di ba? So, the combination of that two means there's a potential superstar here. And hindi naman nakakagulat na gusto yan siya makuha ng isang mayaman na conglomerate like the MVP group. And thankfully, of course, hindi pa siya nakukuha, di ba? I really hope, kabola, that Phoenix will keep him as much as possible, kabola, and show us that they are a serious team still in the PBA. Kakaganda lang po ng kanilang run, kabola, and they're starting to build up that fan base. And malaking may tutulong po ni Rivero. But overall, of course, Rivero will be a welcome addition to TNT or to Meralco, even NLEX, kabola, knowing nga po yung ability and the potential is there. Kung makabal sa plagay mo, makakuha kayo ng MVP group, si Rivero, comment lang po sa baba.